Welcome to Natural Beauty Adventure, guys. Today I'm just making some food for my friends, my labmate. They're coming for dinner, so I cooking some Pakistani dishes in which I using one beef beef karai, and I'm making some spaghetti. So I just cutting the tomato, chicken, and I also going because it's a month of Ramadan, so I make paste for the pakora, so I will fry it later. And also I make some egg pudding, so I just cooking there and I will show you. I start cooking, so after that I will show you what I cook and we will discuss to our friend did they like our food or not. Let's see. Now it's ready, spaghetti, and here's egg pudding as a dessert, and here's I make some pakora, and still I cooking here curry. This is boiling. Okay. So it's cooking, and here is the rice is almost ready. Spaghetti. Spaghetti. And it's a egg pudding. It's a watermelon. So that we call pakora. It's a potato. And wow, it's burning. Potato and chicken and some other vegetables are there. Shit. I don't know that. It's okay. Yeah. We not put on the curry. We let and we okay. It's your style. Yeah.
You need to teach me how to
It's okay, just finish. It's good or not?
It's very good.
Sure?
Yeah, that's good.
That's good?
Put some milk inside, right?
Yeah.
Huh?
Which one? This is not delicious.
Either.
And the egg is still you not eat. Yeah.
Yeah, very good. This one is very good.
That's we call because it's a beef, so we call it beef curry.
Beef curry.
Yeah. And if it's chicken, then chicken curry, not curry, karai. Yeah. It's in India and Pakistan. It's very famous.
It's not spicy.
I not make spicy. No. I use a chili powder, like a red chili powder. Yeah, but I not use because I know Taiwanese people not eat spicy.
Barbecue
Chicken, yeah, booties.
And one more dish I forgot. Now, and this all is for like $2,380.
So how much expensive? I think for this maximum I spend 600 to 700 maximum. Yeah, not more than that.
I think the meat is the most.
See, meat is expensive other.
You can open a restaurant.
Okay, now complete PhD, you also complete, then we will open a restaurant. Open the restaurant is not easy.
I think the foreigner in Taiwan is easy.
No,
Really?
yeah, it's difficult.
Because I think Taiwanese now like to eat.
Yeah, if you open a restaurant, you're not going to lose money because Taiwanese love eating. Yeah, because wherever I see any like small restaurant also, always full. Taiwanese love to eat.
Eat outside.
Yeah. So I will explain what these dishes are. Okay. This is we call chicken. It's if a beef, then we call beef karai. If we use a chicken, then we call chicken karai. The dish name, karai. Basically, this is karai, and we cook in this one, so we call it karai. And this one is we call pakora. This one, in pakora it's potato, onion, lettuce, and chicken. and that's one kind of grain powder, mix and fry. And this is spaghetti mixing with different vegetable.
Usually it is not spicy, right?
No, it's spicy, but today I not make it spicy
Ah,
because Taiwanese not eat spicy.
yeah.
Yeah.
Your spicy is not my spicy.
Yeah. So it's good or bad? Good? Sure? Okay. It's egg, milk powder, milk and sugar. And it's we call egg pudding, and it's my mother favorite. Yeah. Try. She not like it. It's good? Really? Okay. Sure? which from you, which one you like? Which food? Curry? Rice? Curry? Marinda? Pakora. It's called Pakora. Yeah. Yilin.
Curry.
Curry?
Yeah.
And spaghetti is not good.
Curry better.
Better. You like everything, I know. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Okay, you wash the dishes.